Oh, so get some free cement, huh? Under the deck.
Got 50 yards of cement we're going to be doing today. This whole project, humongous, awesome project. Redoing the pool area. Going straight over this cement. Going to be doing an outdoor kitchen out over here in the back. Real big outdoor kitchen. But got this great pump system coming in from outside. All the way to here. And this will be done. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning now. It's about 40 degrees, but we'll be done by about hopefully 3 o'clock. This is going to be the kitchen area here. That'll be the back of the kitchen where the sink and cooktop are. And pool area. Hello, doggy. Hello, 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 hello. What you doing, huh? You got worms, huh? You got worms. Yeah, well, you're getting better. Yes, you are. Yes. Big project going on here. A lot of remodeling. See how long this cement takes to cure, because it's only about 45 degrees right now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Mexicans and 1 Cuban. Everybody working. Except me. These guys are moving pretty fast. It's only been about an hour and a half since they started pouring cement. It's only about 2 hours later from the starting point. This is pretty heavy work at times, having to move 50 yards of cement. You can't stop, can't take any breaks. It's all the final finish work. We're getting close to the finished product. We're very close. This is 4 hours later. They started at 8. It's 6 hours. It's about 2 o'clock now. Almost done. Very nice. This is where the outdoor kitchen is going to be. It's going to be about 20 feet this way, and from the pool edge to this expansion joint edge right here. Super nice outdoor kitchen with sound, video, gas, pizza oven, bar, everything. And we were thinking about putting a shower over here, but it's too late. Couldn't find the sewer, so we're not going to.